Howdy, it's Miss Moellers. I hope you all are staying healthy and safe right now. All of my students know that I love planting flowers and that I have flowers all over my yard. Behind me are some of my roses that I have in my yard that go from pink and red and pink and red, and they go all the way across here. But today I want to specifically show you how to plant flowers and talk about the life cycle of a flowering plant.
This is the life cycle of a flowering plant. 1. Seeds are planted by people or are scattered by wind, water, or animals. 2. A hard outer shell or seed coat splits and a new plant sprouts. 3. Roots, stems, and leaves begin to develop. 4. Flowers bloom on the plants. 5. Seeds form on the plant when the flower dies.
Here is a photo of a marigold that I grew last summer. I think they are so pretty. And they also have great benefits for your backyard. They also repel aphids and mosquitoes and keep those nasty pests out of your backyard. So let's plant some marigolds today. Here are the things that you need to plant your flowers. You'll need these materials to plant your marigolds. You'll need soil, seeds, water that I have inside my watering can, a container for your plant, and a clear plastic bag. So I got this clear plastic bag from A Loaf of Bread, and I'm using a recycled egg carton. I got these seeds for these marigolds from marigolds that I planted in my yard last year. These came from the very center of the blooms, and when the flower died, in the center of them are these tiny, tiny little seeds. Each of these little tiny seeds will make a marigold plant. There are many things that you can use for your container. You can use recycled paper towel holders. You can use recycled toilet paper tubes if you have any extra tubes at your house from toilet paper. You can use toilet paper, or you can use egg cartons like the one that I'm using here. You fill the individual cups with potting soil. I already have cut the top off of this and got most of these where they're ready to go. I'll go ahead and finish putting soil in these last two little cups. Then I'll use my finger to put a hole in each cup. I'm going to put a seed in each one, and then I'm going to cover it up with dirt. After you have the seeds in each of the cups, then you want to water it really well like this. Next, put this entire container inside a clear plastic bag. I'm using the recycled bag from A Loaf of Bread that I got from the grocery store. Put the entire thing in. Okay, so I've just put my container inside the clear plastic bag. The reason that I did that is because I'm making this tiny, tiny little greenhouse for my plants. Hopefully that will give them a kickstart to grow. We'll find out in a couple of weeks. So I'll put my container inside a sunny window inside my house because we're still getting really cold temperatures at night, and I want it to stay nice and warm because these are really going to be little tiny baby plants, okay? I won't have to water these again until the seeds come through the dirt. Once the little bits of green shoot up through the dirt, I'll take the plastic wrap off and then make sure that I keep the soil nice and moist. Later, I'll be able to transplant these plants into a larger container, and I'll be able to enjoy marigolds in my backyard all summer long. Please share photos with me if you plant seeds at home and you try this in some type of recycled container. Please stay healthy and safe at your house. And even though you're stuck at home, you can bloom anywhere that you're planted. Bye for now.